The Nobel Prize is often seen as the pinnacles of recognition in fields such as physics, chemistry, and peace. Yet, history reveals that some of the most groundbreaking contributors to science, mathematics, and social progress were overlooked by this prestigious award. Their omissions highlight systematic biases and limitations in the Nobel selection process, leaving us to ponder the legacy of these overlooked geniuses. Stephen Hawking, one of the most recognized physicists of the 20th century, revolutionized our understanding of black holes through his theoretical work, including the discovery of Hawking radiation. Despite fundamentally altering the course of astrophysics, Hawking never received a Nobel Prize, as his predictions lacked experimental confirmation during his lifetime. His work stands as a testament to the power of theoretical physics in shaping our understanding of the cosmos. Ludwig Boltzmann, the father of statistical mechanics, faced a similar fate. His groundbreaking work on entropy and the microscopic nature of thermodynamics laid the foundation for modern physics. Unfortunately, Boltzmann's contributions were met with skepticism during his lifetime, and he passed away before his groundbreaking contributions were fully acknowledged and accepted by the scientific community. The equation S equals K log W, engraved on his tombstone, serves as a somber reminder of his overlooked genius. The story of Lise Meitner underscores the intersection of gender bias and historical circumstance. As a co-discoverer of nuclear fission, Meitner's work was instrumental in one of the most transformative discoveries of the 20th century. However, her collaborator Otto Hahn was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1944, leaving Meitner's pivotal contributions unrecognized. Nominated 48 times without winning, her exclusion underscores the systematic challenges faced by women in science. Edwin Hubble's discovery of the expanding universe reshaped our understanding of the cosmos, laying the groundwork for modern cosmology. Despite the monumental impact of his work, Hubble was overlooked because astronomy was not traditionally considered for the Nobel Prize in Physics during his lifetime. His contributions remain a cornerstone of astrophysics, a field that continues to explore the vastness of the universe he helped reveal. In particle physics, Chien-Shiung Wu demonstrated unparalleled experimental prowess. Her work disproving the conservation of parity fundamentally altered our understanding of subatomic particles. Yet, while her male colleagues were awarded the Nobel Prize in 1957 for the theoretical framework, Wu's experimental validation went unrecognized, a glaring omission that reflects the gender biases of the time. In chemistry, Dmitri Mendeleev revolutionized science with his creation of the periodic table. His ability to predict the properties of undiscovered elements demonstrated the predictive power of his framework. Despite multiple nominations, Mendeleev never received the Nobel Prize, likely due to his death in 1907, shortly after the prize's establishment. His periodic table remains one of the most iconic tools in science. Rosalind Franklin's contributions to the discovery of DNA's double helix structure were crucial, yet she was excluded from recognition during her lifetime. Her meticulous X-ray crystallography provided the essential evidence used by Watson and Crick to model DNA. Franklin's premature death meant she was not eligible for a Nobel Prize, leaving her role in one of the biology's greatest discoveries largely overshadowed. The field of computer science and mathematics, often excluded from Nobel recognition, also saw its share of overlooked pioneers. Alan Turing, the father of computer science, revolutionized technology and warfare by breaking the Nazi Enigma code. His theoretical foundation for computing and artificial intelligence has shaped the modern world, and yet he was never considered for a Nobel Prize, as no category exists for his field. Similarly, John von Neumann's contributions to quantum mechanics, computing, and game theory spanned disciplines but fell outside the traditional boundaries of Nobel recognition. Both men left legacies that continue to influence technology and science. Henri Poincaré, a polymath who laid the groundwork for topology, chaos theory, and aspects of special relativity, was another genius whose field fell outside Nobel considerations. Despite his profound influence on many areas of science, the absence of mathematics from the Nobel roster denied him the recognition his groundbreaking contributions deserved. Even with the Peace Prize, oversight persists. Mahatma Gandhi, the leader of India's nonviolent independence movement, was nominated 5 times, but never awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. His assassination in 1948 precluded posthumous consideration, a fact the Nobel Committee later referred to as one of its greatest regrets. Gandhi's philosophy of nonviolence has since inspired countless civil rights movements worldwide. These omissions reflect not only the inherent biases and structural limitations of the Nobel Prize system, but also the broader challenges of recognizing groundbreaking contributions in their time. The reliance on experimental confirmation, the exclusion of certain fields, and the systematic biases against marginalized groups have left many deserving individuals unacknowledged by the Nobel Committee. Yet, the legacies of these figures endure, shaping the course of human knowledge and progress in ways that transcend awards. Their stories remind us of the importance of broadening the scope of recognition and celebrating the diversity of genius that propels humanity forward. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.